Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you a Chanel bag unboxing. I'm so excited because in this box here, I've got a Chanel Deauville Tote bag and it's in the color beige. It's a larger one with the top handle and the chain shoulder strap. Now the thing is, I don't actually know what color beige it is. The reason being is because on the listing, there was no photo of the serial sticker, the authenticity card, so I don't even know if it comes with the serial sticker or the authenticity card or the dust bag or the box or anything like that. But anyway, I'll share with you which website I got it from, I'll share with you the pricing, I'll share with you my reasoning behind purchasing it, and I'll give you my thoughts on this. There has been like two variants of this Deauville Tote. The older versions have the T-bar toggle stoppers where you can detach the chain shoulder strap. The newer ones have the round toggle stoppers where you can't actually remove or detach the chain shoulder strap. My one has the T-bar toggle, so I'm thinking it's either a 15 series or a 20 series bag, but I did as much research as I could before I purchased it, and this bag was listed for about 2 days and then I snapped it up. Let's get straight to unboxing it. So it did come in this huge box. I'm so excited. Okay, so here's a really big box. Oh, so cute. So cute. Look at that. So I have a little envelope. I'll just put this down over there. And then I've got a whole bunch of really nice tissue paper. The tissue paper that they use is really, really soft. And then this is the item. It is so big. Look at that. So it has come really nicely bubble wrapped. I'll just take off the bubble wrap. It does come with the dust bag, yay! Actually, this is easy. Okay, bubble wrap's off, and then it's really nicely packaged, isn't it? Are you guys ready to see what I got? Okay, so it's wrapped in nice tissue paper again. Oh, this is so nice. Comes with this big, huge dust bag on the floor. And then I'll just undo this. It's like Christmas, isn't it? Oh, are you guys ready? Alright, I'll reveal it to you. Oh, ta-da! Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is so nice. Wow. I've really wrapped this up so nicely. Oh, there you go. It's got tissue paper inside. So take out all this tissue paper. It's got a lot of tissue paper inside. Take it out. Take out the tissue paper. And the tissue paper that they use is like really like premium, super soft. It's like buttery. It's like little marshmallows. So we've got that. And oh my gosh, look at that. So we've got the little booklet. Oh, they didn't say that there was going to be a booklet in this listing. Hang on a sec, I'll open it. Okay, so it's got the buffer cloth and the care instructions. And oh my gosh, first impressions of this is, wow, it looks in great condition. And it's a really thick canvas, but the color looks much darker in person than what I actually thought it was. This bag is quite dark. Anyway, let me see. Alright, so this bag here is the Chanel Deauville Tote bag. It's the one with the top handle with the double chain shoulder strap. And I think this is the larger size. I think this is the size large. But there is the serial sticker. And this one says that it is, okay, it is a 20 series bag, which I actually thought it was, which I'm really happy with because the beige on this 20 series is like a dusty pink. It's like a dusty pinky taupe nude color, which I really love, and it's just really pretty. I'm just gonna look for the authenticity card if there is one. I'll just open this back pocket. And okay, there is the authenticity card in here. So that's correct, yeah. So it is a 20 series bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This one is made in Italy. And it still has the protective sticker on the zipper pull. Comes with the 2 slip pockets and the back slip pocket there. It's got nothing else inside. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful color. Much darker in person than I imagined, but it's beautiful. It's showing up like a dusty rosy pink nude taupey color on camera, and it's got this gorgeous Chanel font there in like a raffia. Wow, that's really cool. I'll just give you a quick zoom in. So it's got raffia embroidery, Chanel 31 Rue Cambon Paris, and it's made of this really nice thick canvas. The handles are this really nice sort of taupey color. The trimming on the outside here is also the same color. It's like a camel beige color, which matches the inside, which is a really nice sort of camel tan color. And the inside looks like it's in fantastic condition. So this also has the T-bar toggle stoppers, which says Chanel on one side. And with these T-bar toggle stoppers, you can actually remove the chain just by inserting it in here and actually removing the chain altogether if you don't want the chain. So I mentioned that there was a little mark on the handle, which I can see looks like it's glue or something. Can you see that? It's just a little, I think I can just rub it off. It's just a little piece of glue. Yeah, I can rub it off. It's coming off. It also says Chanel 31 Rue Cambon on the round grommets. There was also a mention of a little pull. It also said that there was just a little pull just here. Is it? Yeah, just here, which I can thread through. And also on the bottom, there was one mark. I think it's probably this mark here. The corners are fantastic. And it's such a beautiful bag. I really love the detail of the raffia embroidered Chanel font. It's really pretty. Like when you see Chanel Deauville totes on Instagram, it always gets me. It's something about like the whole design, the chain, the top handle, the font. They're just so beautiful. They're beautiful bags. About 2 years ago, I purchased a Chanel Deauville tote bag. It was in the light grey with the charcoal trimming, and that one was in raffia material. I found that quite heavy, and then I found that even though I'm a neutrals girl, I just didn't gravitate towards that bag. I didn't reach for it, I didn't use it at all, so I sold it off. And then lately, because I've been loving tote bags for travel, I purchased this bag, which is the Saint Laurent Rive Gauche tote bag. I love this bag. It's such a really nice neutral bag. And so since having this bag, I'm like, I've always wanted Deauville as well. I went searching on Instagram. I searched up what Chanel Deauville. Out of all the Deauville tote bags that are on Instagram, this one just drew me in, and it's just really pretty. There are a few Instagrammers that have this particular color, and every time I see like a photo, I'm just like, oh, that's so pretty. I hope I can find one, because in stores at the moment, they don't actually have this color, so it's like a seasonal color. They have the ones with the lurex, like the glitter type lurex, the sparkly one, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but I do love the navy Deauville totes, the navy with the white font. That's gorgeous. That's like a really nice classic. I also purchased this because, you know, I've been traveling a lot more lately, and I wanted like a really nice travel bag, a nice work bag, beach bag, a grocery shopping bag, baby bag. The website that I purchased this one from is from Rakuten, which is like a Japanese eBay, and I've purchased from Rakuten a few times before, and they're fantastic. Shipping is really fast. Items are as described. It's like better than expected. It came with the authenticity card, the little booklet with the dust cloth, the dust bag, and it's in fantastic condition. Oh, the price I paid for this one was $3,100, but I got 10.5% cash back via Rakuten. So if you haven't joined Rakuten, which it used to be called Ebates and now it's called Rakuten, make sure you sign up, because you can get cash back. So all up I paid about 2,750, 2,780, something like that, which is fantastic because these bags are so expensive now in the boutique. The most recent released ones, the one with the felt on the front and then it's got the quilting on the side, that one's like 7,500 or something like that, which is crazy for a Deauville tote. Ones that are in the store at the moment with the Lurex, they're about 4,500. I absolutely love it. I love the color, and sometimes, you know, you do have to buy pre-loved because it's great for the environment and recycling. You find the exact color combo that you want. You know, sometimes a color that's been discontinued or a seasonal color, seasonal piece, like you can find it pre-loved, and that's why I do like buying pre-loved, because you get great bargains, you get exactly what you want. Excellent condition. It's fantastic. I love this. It's so nice. Can't wait to start using it. So beach bag, because summer's coming up. So I'm really happy that this is the 20 series bag, which I had a hunch that it was because of their T-bar toggle stoppers. This is the perfect neutral and I love it so much. It's got that sort of dusty pink color to it. Some people call it like a dark beige. Some people call it like a taupe beige. It looks like a dusty pink beige on camera. There's something about the Deauville, like the top handle with the chain and the font, just makes my heart sing. It makes me so happy. So that's a video of my Chanel bag unboxing for my new to me Chanel beige Deauville tote bag. I'm so in love with the color. It turned out much better than I expected. My question to you, if you were to choose a Deauville tote bag, what color would you go for? Thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.